Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. The CEO of Tesla, TSLA 34, and SpaceX, Elon Musk, listed the 5 pieces of advice he considers essential for those who want to succeed in life. The billionaire was asked on an episode of the Lex Fridman podcast what advice he would give to young people in high school or college who want to have a positive impact on the world. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. These are the top 5 tips that would help young people become successful. 1. Be helpful. The first tip Musk gave was that people should try to be helpful. Do things that are useful to your fellow men, to the world, the billionaire told Friedman. It's hard to be useful, very hard. If someone is living a useful life, it's a life worth living, Musk said. 2. Contribute to society. The second piece of advice that Elon Musk mentions in the podcast is that one should contribute more than one consumes. Try to make a net positive contribution to society, he told Friedman. That's something to aim for. Musk said on the podcast that he has a lot of respect for someone who works honestly. 3. Don't try to be a leader. Musk also advised young people not to try to be leaders because of this. Most of the time, the people you want as leaders are the people who don't want to be leaders, he told Friedman. 4. Read books and ingest information. Musk told Friedman that he read the encyclopedia as a child. I would encourage people to read a lot of books, he said. Try to ingest as much information as you can and also try to develop a good general knowledge so that you have at least a rough view of the knowledge landscape. 5. Talk to people. His last piece of advice was for young people to talk to each other. Talk to people from different walks of life and different industries, professions, and skills, he told Friedman. Learn as much as possible. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.